You already know what the going on. It's Cam.Deion in this building. Yeah, time for another CamGlam, and y'all about to witness it. So let's go.
Kicking back and I'm good.
First thing that I do before I apply my makeup is cleanse my face with the pure cleansing water of Manio. It's a nice little toner. I just rub that in with a cotton swab. Make sure to get them pores, honey. Okay. It's very important, very crucial for you to cleanse your skin before you apply makeup and after you apply makeup. Moisture that's in your skin, it helps the makeup last longer, it makes it look better, it makes it pop, all of that good stuff. So after we cleanse the face with that, then I'm gonna top it off with my skin barrier by Purito. This is my favorite skin barrier. Love it. Y'all see how dewy the skin is? You see how moisturized the skin is? You see how glowy the skin is? Yeah, get into it. All right, so now we're ready to apply, honey. Let's go. So we're gonna start off with the e.l.f. eye primer. I like this one a little bit. You don't need too much. I don't like how I be getting into my eyelashes sometimes, but maybe that's just a me thing. Baby, this eyeshadow primer, yeah, we blended the out of that. Yeah, did that. Now let's apply the color. I kind of have an idea of what I'm gonna do today, but I don't know. We're just gonna see where my creativity takes me. I want to do like a purple and a blue, kind of like a pink look. So let's see how that turns out. This is definitely one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes by Morphe. Okay, Avani Greg, baby, ate that. Yeah, like honey, get into it. Okay, like look at that, real cute, real cute. Love this, like I love all these colors. I'm such a bright color person, so this palette is literally perfect for me. "35 Colors" by Crown is definitely another one of my favorites as well. It has all the neutral colors. This palette I'm working with a lot more because I'm not really that familiar with a lot of neutral styles, but I'm learning and I like this palette, so yeah. For the liner, we're gonna do purple and pink. Fenty Beauty foundation, definitely my holy grail foundation, okay? This is like from the first drop of the Fenty Beauty foundation, girl. Don't you know, Shay? I bought it when it first dropped, and girl, I've had it since then. I'm not getting any new foundation until I'm run out of this, period, because it does what it needs to do. got my setting spray, and we're ready to go. Here we go. The look is complete. And I'm B. Yeah, know what the f going on. Okay. Cam.Deion on the beat. Yeah.